Most organizations still operate in reactive mode. Every outage triggers a race to fix, with alerts piling up faster than teams can respond. On average, IT teams spend 60% of their time on reactive work, chasing symptoms instead of preventing problems. When systems fail, every minute counts. Depending on size and industry, downtime costs range from $5,600 to over $14,000 per minute. Prolonged MTTR, even by an hour, directly translates to lost revenue, reputational damage, and compliance risk. AI changes the model. Through AI Ops, or artificial intelligence for IT operations, data from monitoring, logs, and user behavior is analyzed in real time. AI correlates related alerts, predicts failures before they occur, and automates safe responses. Organizations deploying AI in IT operations report measurable gains, up to 70% fewer alerts, 50% faster MTTR, and 40% fewer false positives. Less noise means engineers focus on what matters, improving uptime, not chasing false alarms. To move from reactive to proactive, follow a structured roadmap. Centralize monitoring tools for full visibility. Correlate alerts using AI-driven analysis. Automate known remediations, but always with human approval and audit logs. Track MTTR, alert volume, and uptime weekly, and adjust continuously. Automation doesn't replace accountability. Every AI-driven action must have guardrails, audit trails, and rollback options. Human oversight ensures decisions remain compliant with frameworks like NIST and FTC safeguards. The goal is control, not chaos. Measure what matters. The most mature IT environments track 4 key metrics: MTTR, incident volume, alert accuracy, and uptime. When these improve together, you're not just faster, you're resilient. The future of IT is proactive, not reactive. With AI and structured automation, MSPs are evolving into trusted partners who prevent issues, protect uptime, and guide smarter operations. Securafy is already leading that shift.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.